26 to 31. As they take their picture, coming up is our advanced Tane, ages 26 to 31 in third place. Number 300 Nonosina, Alan Noah.
In second place, number 298, Nahokumai Kanoelani, Talon Pedregosa, Hura Nui.
Oh yes, and in first place is number 299, Tebaruaori, Josh Morsado. All right. Great job, gentlemen. Good job. Woo! Great job, gentlemen. Great job. Our next group is our beginner Vahine. These are beginners in the age category of 32 to 39. In fourth place, number 306, Tebarua Ori, Valerie Jean Estos Gascon.
In third place, number 304, Ohina Aronui, Anisha Keel.
In second place, number 305, Nonosina, Makalea Vecina.
And in first place, number 309, Ohina Aronui, Karen Hernandez Juarez.
Oh wow, check the drummers out. They just, can you all pay attention to the dancers or what? Drummers, look at me. Look at me, okay. Thank you. Our beginner Tane, ages 32 to 39. Our one and only in first place, number 311, Nonosina, Kayel Vecina. Just first place, yeah, look at me, yeah. Just one, okay, thank you so much. Can you see me? I see you, okay, thank you so much. How about another round of applause for our first place, number 311, Nonosina, Kayel Vecina. All right. Our advanced Vahine, 32 to 39 in third place. Number 13, Manuia, the group Manuia. Elena Guillermo.
In second place, number 315, Tupua, Maro Mikalian.
Sounds good. In first place, number 314, Te Ao Nui, Sibyl Lin. Sibyl Lin. Our advanced talent. Take a picture. Okay. Okay, advanced Wahine, 40 to 45. In second place, number 329, Aloha Hula. Amethyst Infante. Amethyst Infante.
And in first place, number 330, Namaka Tanisha Reschke.
Our beginner Mahine, 46 plus, our one and only number 1, number 335, Tupua, Becca Daskalaski. Oh yeah. She is right there. Beautiful. Oh, Romeo, you got it, Romeo. You got it, Romeo. Oh, Romeo. Dang, that leg went up. That was high. Dang, did you hurt yourself? You better be careful. We need you for tomorrow. This is our last group. Don't forget, for all you first place winners, the age category of 12 and up, you must check in tomorrow for the overall soloist. That's going to be first on our program tomorrow. Check in at 7:30. All right, our last group, Advanced Fahine, 46. In third place, number 342, Nahoku by Kaneolani, Susan Hokulani Peragosa.
In second place, number 344, Te Makanui Josie Candolita.
And in first place, number 3, 41, Hiba, Qatar, Jeanette Mekas. Oh yes. Oh yeah.
Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, how about a big hand for all those winners? Let's give them a big hand. We would like to remind you that all those first place winners will have to come back tomorrow for overall. From the 12 years old category and up. All the first winners will come back for our overall. Before we leave also, how about a big hand for the judges?
All right, judges.
It was tough. It was tough. And also a big hand for the MCs over here. Waitana and Wailili.
We will see you tomorrow.
And our sound man. Let's give our sound man a big hand. Most of all, for Romeo, for dancing. Putting his feet up at the end. And the drummers. A big hand for the drummers.
Thank you so much for joining us today. Please travel mercies upon all of you. God bless you, and we'll see you tomorrow.
That's correct. Pick up whatever you can see in front of you and take it with respect.